Cashing a check at Money Services is fast and easy. Using Money Services saves you loads of time because we're based in most Kroger Family of Stores near you, so you can cash a check all while doing your grocery shopping. When you're ready to cash your payroll, government income, tax check, etc., you'll need to do a couple of things before you receive your money. First, you'll need to validate the check by signing your name on the back. Make sure that your name is the same as the addressed payee before signing. Next, you'll need to show some valid identification to verify that you're authorized to cash the checks. We accept government-issued IDs such as passports, driver's license, or military IDs. Finally, you will receive your cash, ready to put in a secure place before leaving the store. Remember, you can also save money on transaction fees when using your shopper card at Kroger Family of Stores. Money Services, available at participating Kroger Family of Stores, saving you time and money. Click the link in the description below to get started.